This is the Infinite Yogurt Hack. Tune in if you're obsessed with yogurt. Welcome to Bilhin or Gawen, where we try to figure out if something is worth making or buying. Today we're making yogurt. I got this egg maker from Kawu and it has a yogurt function. And the concept is super simple. You just need milk. You could actually use old yogurt, but for me, I'm using a yogurt starter. This is more shelf stable kasi if you're using old yogurt, you would have to have yogurt in the fridge and wala akong yogurt. If you don't have a starter, you could just get old yogurt from your fridge, or you could get new yogurt. I have 2 containers. One is going in my yogurt or egg machine, and then one is going in my oven. After 12 hours, nilipat namin yung yogurt from the oven and the egg maker to the fridge. They're super set. Ayan o. Halos hindi na siya gumagalaw. It is amazing. Texture is insanely thick. Amazing. It smells really good. It's really creamy. In terms of effort, kung bibilhin or gagawin, I would say gawin. It's so easy. All you have to do is to mix the milk, the starter, and put it in your yogurt maker, your egg maker, your oven, whatever you have. In terms of taste, hindi siya nagkakaiba dun sa mabibili mo sa grocery. I'd say gawin, pero pwede rin naman bilhin. Parehas lang naman sila ng lasa. As for the price, I think this is super economical, super cheap. For all this yogurt, I only spent 65 pesos on the milk box and I think 9.9 pesos on the yogurt starter. Actually, for the price of this alone, an egg maker, this is I think 600, 700. You could already make batches and batches of this. Parang yung ganitong kadami sa grocery, I think it's already 600 pesos. Bili na lang kayo nito, magagamit mo siya over and over again. If you don't want to buy a starter, pwede rin naman na huwag niyong ubusin yung yogurt. Like, magtira lang kayo ng nandito, tapos mix in a fresh milk, put it in the yogurt maker. That's like an infinite yogurt hack.